And we're going to hear from Carlos. He is the head of health and medical equipment division he's a Portuguese guy at Samsung Electronics, a Korean company in France. That makes a lot of sense these days, international. And we're going to hear more about the ecosystem of electronic devices, which are going to be playing into some of what we just heard about from Chile. Carlos, please take it away.
Thank you. I just tried to say hello in Finland. Hyvää iltaa. Thank you. I just want to share with you the Samsung Electronics healthcare vision. The first slide is just for digital septics. Last year, we sold more mobile phones in the world than the toothbrushes. And if you have money to invest, it's probably the best way to invest in digital and probably in digital health. Who we are? Samsung Group. Next, please. We are a startup company based in Korea with $300 billion turnover and 384,000 people in the world. But what it's interesting to share with you, we have 7 companies in healthcare environment. The first one, you have your own hospitals. We have 10,000 beds in Samsung Medical Center. And we're able to use your technology inside your own hospitals. We have biological companies. We are also a provider of medicine, or medicaments, biosimilars. And we have definitely a healthcare company. I would like just to share after with you the coverage of Samsung. Next. Some market data just to explain. Next, please. Just to explain where we are in mobile health market. This market, it's quite a strong opportunistic market for all companies, of course. I'm quite skeptic also on this growth presented by some experts, because now we are facing some difficulty to start from point, some small examples to industrial health connected projects. Next. Nevertheless, 2/3 of people are consider health as the main concern subject for life. 86% of Americans, 17% of Europeans try to find information until to meet the doctors. Just 50% of Americans try to do alone the diagnosis until to meet the doctors. The market is quite now mature for digital solution. This is in this part. This is just a French example. In France, we are facing some economical troubles. The debt of hospitals is 28.3 billion euros. Now we have to change dramatically the model of health in France. The objective of health ministry is to divide it by 2 the number of beds, and to divide it by 2 the number of days you are staying in your beds. And for this reason, the market of mobile health will accelerate in the next coming years. This is the case in France, this is the case in all Europe, and for this reason, the market growth in Europe is higher than the other continents. Next. Next. This is just another view of the global healthcare market. It's not done by Samsung, this is done by IBM, but this is just the market potential we have. In the right part, you have chronic monitors patients. On the left part, you have wellness people, but the main part of the business potential in the market is in the middle, and we have low number of companies in this market segment. Next. This is just an overview of your vision of some brands some company in this market. On the right side, you have medical device company as Philips, Roche, Medtronic. On the left part, you have a wellness company, as Philips also on the Apple, High Health. On the middle part, you have small number of companies. At this time, we identified Google, because Google invests a lot, as you know, in the big data management in this market. But the objective for me is just to share your coverage. Now Samsung is able to provide wellness solution, medical device, but also data device for the main part of the market. But the main tool provided by Samsung in the market is SAMI. SAMI is a global cloud, not dedicated for Samsung, but able to agglomerate all digital information. For example, if you are one company, one startup, if you want to put your data in SAMI cloud, the time you will spend is just less than 1 hour, and we will be able to provide your data in this cloud. SAMI is already in place, and SAMI is able to agglomerate more than 10 billion devices at the same time. And this is what we are providing yet in order to not to connected device, but to organize the data able to be provided to other companies in order to manage these data. And this is what we are able to provide now. And we are already signed number of deals, agreements on SAMI. For example, on number of American hospital, in healthcare, but also with Valeo, with Cardiff in insurance. All data are now in the SAMI. This is just what we have also. We have some medical device in your portfolio. And this is just few examples of what we are doing now. We have some French cases in people health management. We are following diabetes people at home with University Hospital in Lyon. We are also in partnership with Innovelan, is a small company in France. We are following in a big part of French territory, some chronic renal failures, also some heart critical patients. And this is what we are already in place, but the main objective for us now is to switch from small projects to a large one, and this is what we are working on. The next, what will be the vision of Samsung, what we are doing now with a large hospital organization. We try to provide digital health solution from home to home, because the main difficulty we are facing, particularly in France, is the relationship between patients, private doctors, and hospitals. We have no continuous communication from home to home, and this is what we are providing now. We will launch in the end of the year in open source 9 digital tools able to manage the whole relationship between patients, doctors, and hospitals. Your vision of digital health is optimist, but the health, we have some bad experience in health digital solution in place. We can do good things, but we can do also bad experience. We can have a bad experience. What we are working on is to change the way of working inside the hospital. Health professionals, are they designed to disappear? This is the one question that I receive sometimes. No, definitely not. Doctors will dedicate the time in face-to-face for patients. Currently, the doctors spend too much time for administrative actions. The objective of this new digital health solution is to reduce the time of administrative and to increase the time in face-to-face patient. the future of health will be not in departments. In the current hospitals organization, you have oncology department, you have radiology department, you have osteoarticular departments. In the new hospital organization, we will treat the patient as a human, as a body, in global body, not on just a neck, just a head, just a breast. This is what we are changing the organization and what we are doing in your own hospitals. The impact of this new technology for health management is strategic. Your objective of what we are doing now is to put and to give the right information at the right place for the right patient in order to do a personalized treatment. Now, we can't manage a pathology in one person that we manage in another person. We must to do, like with the digital health, we must to do individual treatment. This is what we are pushing on. The last part is just a short movie of your vision in IoT at home, also in health. Let go. Maybe, yeah. Samsung provides more than 1 billion devices per year. In 2018, 100% of your device will be connected.
Oh, golf? No. Swimming? Okay.
Don't worry, I know.